His horn went beep, beep, beep.
Last week I was going down to Pioneer fishing. I was in my brand new silver Seville Cadillac. Boy, I was proud of that thing. That silver with the gold trim. Boy, it's pretty. Biggest engine I could buy, too. I was just really enjoying life. It was such a pretty day, and I had it on cruise control. Little old Volkswagen was behind me. Don't know where it came from, but he must have wanted to pass me. He kept tooting his horn. Remind me of a ding-dang gnat. Kind of aggravating, kind of embarrassed me. Thought I'd show him a thing or two. Tooting his horn at me in my brand new Cadillac. He kept on tooting that little horn. You should have heard it. It was puny. It went beep, beep, beep. Plumb beautiful sound. I thought I'd just ease away from that old boy. So I just pushed my foot down to the floor. I couldn't wait. But he stayed right behind me. I think he still had on his brake. Well, I don't know what he had under his hood. Inside his trunk. He kept on tooting that horn at me. And I'll show him a thing or two.
Beep, 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 beep. His horn went beep, beep, beep. My car went into passing gear and we took off with gusto. Soon we were doing 90, must have left him in the dust. When I peeked in the mirror of my car, I couldn't believe my eyes. The little Volkswagen was right behind, I think that guy could fly. Beep, 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 beep. His horn went beep, beep, beep. Now we're doing 110, this certainly was a race. For a bug to pass a caddy would be a big disgrace. For the guy must have sworn to pass me up as kept on tooting his horn. I'll show him